To check your transaction history on Basecamp, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and find the information you need quickly. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Basecamp website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Billing. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Billing or Payment section. Click on it to view your billing information. Step 4. View transaction history. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Export or print. If you need a physical copy or want to save the history, look for an export or print option on the transaction history page. Follow the prompts to download or print your transaction details. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on Basecamp. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Basecamp support for assistance.